you all today? Our restaurant is run by French, Turkish, Czechoslovakian and Italian guys and girls. This is our Italian dishes gastronomic tour you can taste at the Big Ben.
The Sicilian cannoli is a symbol of Sicilian art and is made with carb-shaped fried burger filled with a shaped milk ricotta, but the filling can be enriched with candied fruit or chocolate chips, usually decorated with powdered sugar and dried fruit.
Ascolana olives are typical products of the Marches and are nothing more than olives, generally of the Ascolana variety, filled with a mixture of beef, pork, and chicken wrapped in a crunchy breading.
The Florentine stick is a dish of Tuscan cuisine. The Florentine stick has a cut of veal that is served with part of the bone, to be performed on the grill or on the fire.
From Lecce is the symbol of Salento, a simple traditional dessert filled with custard and black cherries.
Lasagna is a typical Bolognese dish consisting of layers of green egg pasta cooked in the oven. Seasoned with the classic traditional ragu, bechamel, and grated cheese.
Pasta alla carbonara is a typical dish from Rome, prepared with popular ingredients. The most traditionally used type of pasta are spaghetti and rigatoni.
Bacio Perugina is a chocolate with an irregular and rounded shape, filled with gianduja, hazelnut grains, and covered with dark chocolate.
Malloredders are a type of pasta typical of Sardinia. They are shaped like thin shrimp shells, about 2 cm long, and are made of semolina flour and water. They are eaten with various sauces.
Lombardia is famous for the Milanese cutlet, a breaded veal cutlet fried in butter.
Chi alla Sorrentina are a typical dish of Italian cuisine with originates in the Sorrento area. They are prepared with gnocchi made of potatoes, flour and water, cooked and seasoned with tomato sauce, fior di latte cheese, parmesan cheese and basil.
Arrosticini are a great example of a local street food. They are skewers of shape of meat, typical of Abruzzo.
Frico is a dish based on cheese, potatoes, and onions, considered the most typical culinary preparation of Friuli.
Nduja is a typical Calabrian sausage.
Valle d'Aosta is famous for tegole. They are thin cookies with a rounded shape whose main ingredients are hazelnuts and almonds.
Bagna Cada hot sauce is a typical gastronomic specialty of Piemonte cuisine.
Cavatelli are a traditional pasta and traditional food product of Molise.
Tendinone Adige is famous for canederli, flour and bread dumplings which can be eaten in the broth or with butter and flavored with speck or cheese or spinach.
Pasta with Krusky peppers is a typical dish from Lucanian cuisine.
Liguria is famous for pesto, a typically great green sauce made of simple pesto, by nuts of parmigiano, pecorino, garlic, salt, and olive oil. And when it's done properly, it's absolutely delicious over dinner.
Veneto is famous for his riso e bisi, a kind of risotto made from peas and pancetta.
What are you waiting for? Come to our restaurant.